안녕하세요.
Panoorin natin ulit si
안녕하세요.
Jan para
안녕하세요. 나 치킨으로 나랑 또 시푸리네.
at i-react natin guys.
코라?
Let's go.
Chinese.
Chinese.
Chinese. Chinese. 니하오.
Ni hao. Where you
니하오
from?
바하오 싱고 일롱가.
Where you from?
코라뇨.
You're not Korean.
Loko-loko yung babae.
Where you from?
코라, 너 코라네. 어깨가요.
Tayo.
Korean. Huh? No, that's not
Jabal
good.
ng TV.
Pero wait, nga ba, Jimbo? Oh my God, is that real? Can you closer in the camera? Let me see it. Closer.
No, I'm not going to show
Mga
you.
tao dun sa
I think it's a filter though. Real.
No.
nakuha yung mismo.
You know, love, I'm gonna love you so much.
Guys, too early.
How you say I love you in Thailand?
Ito mo si Idol ni ano.
Yeah, opaka.
Jabal
Mia
ng TV.
opaka.
Yay!
African.
Oh, Mia opaka.
Damn, how do you do that though? You wait. Do you have a dimple?
Huh?
Is that real dimple?
Dimple. Wala naman.
Yeah, bro, it's real, man.
Can you hold it like this? Do this. It's a dimple.
Yeah, original.
Can you rub it? Rub it.
Baka mawala yung
No,
mukha niyan,
do this
boss.
and do this. Can you closer in the camera and do this? Closer in the camera. Let me see it for you. And do this, do this. No, closer, like this.
Kiss mo na kasi.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
Ang bango niyan. Bakla. Nagtaka siya.
Huh? Huh? Hey, listen.
Yo, what up?
Bakla yan, boss.
How tall are you?
6'9".
6'9"?
Yeah, I can dance your head in the ring.
You can down my head? Do you know how many big? You know this guy?
I
Hindi,
don't
player
know
pala
who's
eh.
that. That you?
This guy brown, I'm black, man. How come me?
Ulol lang talaga niya ni Jabal TV. Credits sa'yo, boss. Thanks for watching, guys.